You're just so sick.
Awato na nako.
I don't want any tuna.
Huh?
No tuna.
Madali na nga niya ako eh.
Koi?
Siyempre, ang babae, kay buwan, magpagayon bago magawa. Pangit na nga ako, kaya kay buwan magpagayon.
I'm not pangit.
Ako, bako ikaw. Ako. Lots of good meat. Dito kami sa isdaan. Puro isda. Ay, siram. Masiram mo na? Ha? Gusto mo an?
Mas mo an?
Jan's Addiction. Show me. Show me Jan's Addiction. Lobster.
Lobster roll.
There's a lot of bunay. It's not totally out of stock. Oh, they said it's out of stock. It's not. Our favorite in the Philippines. Cheese piece. We're gonna make fruit salad.
Yeah.
Where are you going?
Sure.
You gonna get drunk? Huh?
What?
I did not say anything. Why are you so pissed? You gonna get drunk? See how nice the lighting here. No pig skin. I'm looking for the pig skin. It's so cheap in Czech Republic. Not good for your heart. I use laundry soap a lot because that's my job in America. La Bandera.
That one?
Yep. La Bandera ni Juan. Cream. The paborito. Need some Bertolli. Olive oil. Abuti na naman to ng 200 kasi hindi marunong mag-budget si Juan. Hey, the budget is compromised. Valentine's already. Look. Sure, you buy your sanitation all the time. Protect you from viruses. 91% or 70? That one is $3. This one is $4.
No, because it has more. That one's diluted. I don't know what the difference is. I mean, it depends. This is probably stronger.
I'm a Filipino. I have a lot of virus.
Yeah.
Find a nice magazine for the cat. For the human.
For the human.
About the cat. So good. I love you as my content.
Be content.
You're gonna video the white dude.
Content?
Because they're so good in content. How much did you spend?
$160.
That's nothing.
No.
I thought you're gonna stock some eggs before they run out.
Well, I thought we had a lot there. I don't remember now. I don't remember how much we had.
They might run out next
We got
day.
the Kitty Cat magazine.
The limit in Trader Joe, they said, $1 per customer.
That's it.
Buy grocery. There's still snow in the ground, but it warmed up now up to 31 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, beautiful. Toyama, Japan. You see a pedestrian, you let them cross. The guy is persistent. You see my husband crossing and he just keep driving. Pedestrian is always right. And the driving test, because I studied driving.
Yeah, I mean, he should have seen me. I was thinking that when he pulled out. I was thinking, dude, you didn't see me in the road?
Yeah, you're a pedestrian and you're in a commercial area.
Yeah.
He should stop there. Driving license should be taken away. He's so lucky I did not take a video of him. He's so lucky I did not take a video of him. Got some coffee. Everything is included. Luto muna tayo ng bigas. bugas sa Bisaya. And as usual, dagdagan natin ng ating paboritong suka para tumagal ang buhay ng nilutong kanin. Now set, ready to put in our rice cooker. Yan, rice cooker na pinagtsatsagaan ko hanggang sa ito'y bumigay. Tingnan mo, ang dami niyang biniling fruit cocktail. Pahingurag na salad. Pahingurag sa Bicol. A lot in English. Marami. Edit muna. Libangan lang. Sabay panood ng mga Filipino vloggers. Filipino family in UK. Follow them on YouTube. Filipino family in UK. Tsaka yung Filipino Chef family. Pinapanood din namin yun. Gandang panahon ngayon, no? Maaraw. Kita mo yung mga eroplano lumilipad. You know, eroplano yan. Yan. Medyo marugi so sinap na ta. Pero okay na, masiram na kaysa day. Yan, pinainit ko na. So ano na pod kay ni niluto sa niluto sa bawkanyog. Ginataan. My goodness. Nakakalimutan na magtagalog. Dahil 10 taon na po tayo. O mag-11 taon na. 11 taon na. Maglalabing 1 taon na dito sa bansa ni Uncle Sam. Yan. Masarap pa rin yan. Tinago ko siya sa refrigerator. Frozen. Pinainit. Now, pwede nang kainin ulit. Basta may kanin, ayos na ang buto-buto ni Maricela. Ito yung ulo. Wala na akong buntot ng tulingan. Mackerel in English. Ang daming buto ng isda. Himay-himayin na lang natin ang mabuti. Kasi masarap yan. Sarap po. Yan. Ginataang isda. Sarap. Pinainit ko ulit kasi malamig. Siguro sapat na yan. Sapat na at tapat. Yan, lumambot na pati plastic. Kasi frozen nga naman siya. Dapat mga 4 minutes or 3. May microwave ko lang siya. Yun, malambot na. Breakable na. Pwede nang ulamin. Ito, ay, swerte meron pa rin pala akong natirang buntot ng tulingan. Sarap niyan. Dapat ganon para hindi masira yung niluto nyo. Lagay nyo sa freezer. Magandang tip yan. Para hindi tayo ng fruit salad. Filipino fruit salad. Yan, binuhos ko na dito yung fruit salad. Plus peaches, then we're gonna add some mango. Ito na yung mangga na idadagdag natin sa fruit salad. Bango-bango. Ito yung peaches ng Pilipinas. Sarap. Yan. Sarap, sarap. Mukhang mapapadami ah. We just added the corn. Corn. Mais. Dinagdagan na po natin ng mais ang ating salad. Hindi ko na i-video yung pagbuhos kasi nagmamadali ako. Hindi lahat ng galaw ay kailangang i-video. Kung ano lang yun maisipan i-video, yun na yun. Diba? Yun na yun. Masyadong madiin kasi Bicolana. Hindi kami romantiko. Yan, idagdag na natin ang ating isang latang kondensada. We're gonna add now our 1 can of condensed milk. Sorry for the noise because at the same time I'm washing clothes while preparing some dessert. Because the tulingan is so stinky but so yummy. Mabaho ang tulingan pero masarap. Mabata hindi ko. Ang hindi pa nakasubscribe dyan, mag-subscribe naman kayo. Yan, naidagdag ko na ang ating kondensada. This is the best and the most simple dessert to make. Now we're gonna pour our cream. Where's the cream? Yan, para medyo maliwanag. Dilim-dilim, nagbibidyo. Naidagdag na ang Nestle cream. Paborito ng Pinoy. Wala kaming buko, kaya peach, mangga at mais. Para mas lalong dumami ang ating fruit salad. So our fruit salad will be more and last long for 1 week. Maybe we're gonna eat this for 1 week or maybe just 3 days. Wow, so easy and yummy. You can add anything to your fruit salad. Pwede nyong idagdag yung macaroni. You can add macaroni, anything. Pineapple, I don't want to add the pineapple because we already have the mango. And the peaches. I don't want to cut the peaches into pieces, so because we already have peaches in our fruit salad can, so we still have some whole peaches like this. Masarap. Halo-haluin lang. Keep mixing until every single dice of fruit is flavored. Hanggang sa lumasa. Bawat butil ng prutas at mais. Yan, tapos na. So quick and easy. You can do this in your kitchen anytime. All you have to do is get the ingredients from the grocery. In the Philippines, we climb the coconut. I don't know how to climb. Sarap. Ready to serve. Ready to serve. Lagay muna ang peach. Ilagay natin yung cherry. Nag-iisang cherry. Siguro mga 3 piraso lang yan. 3 pieces of cherry. They're so cheap in cherry. They just give you like 2 pieces per can. Ready to serve to the master of the house and for myself. Yum, yum, yan. Ganyang kaganda yung salad natin. Yan, dilim dun, walang ilaw. Serve ko naman sarili ko. Yan. Kasi mabaho yung tulingan. Dinagdagan ko ng corn, so it's all in one meal.